welcome to my channel, Simply Made by Bailey, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks for starting out Rubik's Cube. So I get questioned a lot, how do I begin with Rubik's Cube? Or I've tried it in the past and I don't know where to start, or I've tried it and failed and now I'm trying to come back into it, or you're completely new. Now, the first thing I say is to, get a Rubik's Cube. That is like the basic, first tip. Make sure you have your Rubik's Cube. Do you have one? So if you have your Rubik's Cube, this is gonna be the tips that I recommend following. Most of them I have learned from experience, and others I have heard from other people that have helped. And I will also recommend some good tutorials for you that I have personally used and I recommend. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure everybody likes, comments, and that just helps and pushes this video out to YouTube, showing that you guys actually like my content. And also you guys can comment down below, what kind of content you guys want to see next. I'm very into that. I need some ideas. Give them to me. So make sure you guys also do that. So my first tip is going to start with tutorial. So when looking for a tutorial, now this tip does not go to anybody who's trying to figure it out by themselves. This video is for people who are trying to use tutorials to help learn. I'm not self-taught. I can't just pick up a Rubik's Cube and go, okay, this is how you're going to solve it. I had to look for a tutorial. Now, I've realized when I was looking through YouTube and social media for a tutorial, a lot of the tutorials are false. A lot of them are fake. A lot of them will go, hold on, do these 4 moves and you can solve the cube, right? We've all seen those. If you're looking into doing Rubik's Cube, you've seen do the 4 moves and your cube is going to be solved. Those don't work. Those work if your cube is in a certain pattern and if your corner pieces, it's for your corner pieces. The up, left, down, right algorithm is for your corner pieces. I get that a lot. I get argued with all the time, why don't you just do the 4 moves? That is not a thing. So when looking for a tutorial, make sure it's in detail. It's not do these 4 things. That's what you want to look for a spammy tutorial. I am assuming the tutorial needs to be at least 10 minutes long. If it's a fast tutorial, learn Rubik's Cube in 5 minutes, that's also okay as long as it's not the 4 moves. So another tip or misconception about Rubik's Cube is you solve side by side. So a lot of people think that when you get your Rubik's Cube, you solve the white side, then you go ahead and do the orange side. That is not how it works. So this is another one where people are I've tried to solve my sides of my Rubik's Cube. I can get one side, but then I try doing another side and I mess it up. That is because when you solve Rubik's Cube, you're not supposed to go off of sides. You're supposed to work in layers. So this tip is showing you guys that is a misconception to work on sides. A lot of people think that's how you do it. It is not. So you start with the white side. So if you can get a side, start with the white side. Then that solves the bottom layer once you get the white side. Then you solve these 2 pieces all the way around the cube. Then the third and final layer. So you're doing first layer, second layer, third layer. Another tip is to just be patient with yourself. I know that sounds really not a good tip. You're come on, okay, of course I'm gonna have patience with myself. Guys, I'm for real. Have some patience with yourself. I'd say give it at least 2 weeks. If you can't solve a Rubik's Cube by pushing hard on trying to learn in 2 weeks, maybe come and revisit and I can help you out. But really, you just have to have patience with yourself. If you're trying to solve the cube, you're okay, this isn't working, you throw it down right away, you're I can't do this. No, you can do this. You just gotta have the patience with yourself in order to do it. You just gotta give yourself some time. It's like learning anything new. It's like learning math, spelling, reading, anything like that. You have to give yourself some time. You can't just pick up a Rubik's Cube and automatically know how to solve it. And if you can, wow, you're a special person and I could not do that. You're smarter than me. But I have not really met anybody who could just pick up a cube and do it right away. That's not how it works. It's like any other skill where you need to put time into it and patience. And I also totally understand that Rubik's Cube is not for everybody. If you're okay, I just don't have the patience for it, I'm that is fine. I've also met people who are hey, I've tried Rubik's Cube. I can sort of do it, but I just don't have the patience for it. And that is okay. You don't have to do Rubik's Cube. No one's telling you to. No one's forcing you to do Rubik's Cube. So if it is also not your thing, don't worry about it. You don't have to solve a Rubik's Cube. So as for the tutorials I recommend, I will leave them down below in the box. There's 2 tutorials that I have personally used when trying to learn how to do cubes. They were very good. They helped me learn right away, mostly right away. I got it like 20 minutes following these 2 tutorials. And my last and final tip is, if these 2 tutorials don't work, try looking around for new tutorials, because it just needs to fit with your learning style. Everybody learns differently. If the tutorials don't work, find one that makes you understand. So I even told somebody today, like, if you don't understand the tutorials, look for a child tutorial. So how to solve Rubik's cubes for a child, like for a kid. So it's a tutorial made for a child, because they will simplify everything and make it more understandable. And I'm not calling you guys child level, right? But these Rubik's Cube tutorials can get sort of out there and get very difficult to understand. So that is why I'm saying use a tutorial that is made for a child, because they will make it more understandable. So if you can't do it, keep searching, keep looking for a tutorial. Not all of them are going to be the perfect tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions at all, please leave them down in the comments below. I'm very happy to answer any Rubik's Cube related questions you may have, and I will answer them to the best of my abilities. I mean, I am no Rubik's Cube master either, so be patient with me as well. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, everybody.